Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson I will show you how to open a door on wall. Let's dive in. Go to YQArch plugin. From plane window and door, first one is open door on wall. Okay, after selecting this, from here you can choose the style, click it. Any style you want, you can choose it. For example, let's select this one. And from here, hold on pair with this. From here you can select the width of your door, any dimension. If you want a specific dimension, there's not here, you can write it here. For example, let's choose 90 centimeter. And for width is can also select any width. Let's select 10 centimeter. Click OK. And from on the any wall, just click it by moving only your mouse to left, right, or up, down. You can change the direction of your door. It's too easy, guys. Just you need to select your door and move your mouse to select the direction, sorry. So let's do it here as well. Okay, for example, if you want to put the wall in the middle of the wall, go to, you can choose change the style. For example, let's select this style. Go to hold on pair with this and change the dimension. We need a wider a little bit. And from here, this box, hold at middle wall. Just check this box. After that, click OK. Go to here. If you select this wall, you put the door in the middle. See, as you see, by moving the mouse to up and down to change the direction of your door. For here as it's the same. As you see, he put in the middle of the wall. For here, for example, it's too easy. Also, you can change the style like this, for example. But here, see, making door is too easy with YQArch plugin. Thanks for watching, guys.